we figured out how these craft are operating, the theory of it, but we don't have the material sciences right to replicate it.
What I'm pointing at is if you travel at that speed across the universe, if you even hit, I don't know, an object the size of a pebble, it would be like a nuclear explosion.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you're modifying space, it's sort of like making like a surfer wave on at the seashore. You arrange to have space moving ahead like that. So you come up to a rock, it's just going to push it aside. So you can engineer that.
This is how I've wrapped my head around it. Essentially, they're warping space-time in a localized area. They're creating an immense amount of energy around the craft, and it creates essentially a bubble around the craft. And that bubble separates the craft from the environment around it. Mm-hmm. So the environment has no impact on the craft. That's why we see transmedium travel, like a craft going smooth from space to air to the water without even a splash. The environment around the bubble has no bearing on the craft inside it. And the craft inside it is in its own space-time.